Hi everyone. Let's read this story called We Can. Let's find that word we. Put your finger on the word we. This is one of our high frequency words this week. Good. We. Let's underline that one. We. Super important word. Now, I want you to find in this picture over here the letter that makes the sound ah. Ah. What letter makes the sound ah in this picture over here? Put your finger on it. Good. This one, A, in the word can, says ah. Awesome job. Wonderful work. Let's read our story. We can. We can walk. We can hop. Let's pause for a second. I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to try and find the text that answers our question. How are these animals moving? How are these animals moving? Good, they're hopping. Where in the text down here does it say how the animals are moving? Which word? Good. This word hop says that how these animals are moving. Why am I struggling so much? There we go. Hop. Excellent. So how are these animals moving? They're hopping. Excellent. Next page. We can climb. Oh, sweet. We can run. Stop for a question. What is one way that these animals here get from place to place? What's a way? Good, they run. Let's highlight that in the text. These animals run to get to place. Wonderful job. We can hug. What can these animals do that people can also do? What can these animals do that people can also do? Good, they can hug. I love hugs. It's like the best thing in the entire universe. Hugs are amazing. We can hug. Awesome job. Excellent work. And that is the end of our book. Fantastic efforts.